So on today's episodes of Kenzo in the Kitchen, we are making fish katsu and also fish tacos with the same katsu that we are going to make in this video. Here we go. Step 1, sharpen your knife. Real important. Get your Omilu or whatever you're using, uku, uhu, whatever you want to throw the panko on and fry up, all nice and crispy. Just fillet that bugger real quick. So this is the first side, using our knife or scissors. You don't really have to cut around the ribs like that, but I just felt like doing it this time. This omilu had eggs, so we'll see what we do with the eggs later on. But okay, second side, scraping along the spine, cutting around that pectoral fin. Yeah, by the cut cavity. Then right here we're rubbing along the rib cage so that those rib bones don't get in our fillet. I didn't do that with the first side because I just cut around the ribs entirely, but I usually do this second method. Okay, and then use your spoon. Spoon all that extra meat off. Nothing goes to waste in the Estores Hale. Even the eggs. Yes, sir.
I'm making a cooking video.
Just bag it up, throw it in your freezer, defrost it when you fry them up nice and crispy. Action. That carcass is going into the garden. Yep, cut the skin off of your fillets. You can leave it on, doesn't really matter. I scaled it already, so you can leave it on. And then this is just the lateral line, I think. Cut that out. All those bones, all this blood meat. My mom doesn't like it, cut it out. You can leave it. Personally, I don't mind. Okay. Japanese panko, pour it in the bowl. Get your egg, crack it in, add some water, make that egg wash. You're going to be dipping your fish inside of that. So take all your fish out. I had it in the fridge over last night. I cut it yesterday. But here we go. So that first bowl right there, that's normal flour. I don't use any salt and pepper because, you can, it really helps, but I don't need that extra sodium. Crisco, usually I use peanut oil, so I'm just pouring it in the pot right now, not a pan, a pot, so you can use less oil and make your oil deeper when you're frying it up. This is for the fish when it's all cooked. Okay, drop that in right there like that, and then you're gonna see when it's bubbling, that's how you know your oil is hot enough. Drop your fish in the oil. You're gonna see it sizzling real nice. You can hear it just crackling and making all that good ono sounds. Drip that oil off. That one's Paul. On the paper plate. That one's Paul. Bangle. Oh, cooking pretty fast. Yes, sir. Amazing. Look at that. Action. This is my sister Amanda. Just checking in. Okay, so that's really all you need for the katsu, but this is for the taco part. Tortilla land from Costco. Action tortillas. Just cook it, heat it up. I think they're raw, but burn. Greek yogurt. No need sour cream. Greek yogurt. Healthier, tastes the same. Guacamole. Usually we make our own, but okay, put the fish on. Cabbage. Or lettuce, whatever's, onions. Black beans, I like black beans, so I use black beans. My sister made this pineapple salsa. It was real action. Now here's for the secret sauce. Dijon mustard and Ploy sweet chili sauce. Panko. Pauhanas. Look at that, it's beautiful. Just roll it up. Made it a little too fat, but it's okay. Action. Invisalign on the table.
You're gonna be in my YouTube video.
Okay.
How is it?
Delicious.
Okay, that's all for episode 1 of Kenzo in the Kitchen. Model for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy and it was easy to follow. Let me know in the comments below what I can work on. If you guys would rather me not voiceover. Personally, if I was you guys, I would not want this voiceover in the video. But if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Even if you didn't enjoy the video, please still leave me a like, because I like you guys. If you guys didn't really like the GoPro angle kind of cutty stuff, my friend Tannen Kim offered to film some Kenzo in the Kitchen episodes for me, but then I would have to be in the video and I don't want to be in the video. But I'll leave that up to you guys to decide for the future of Kenzo in the Kitchen. Last thing, if you guys want to add salt or pepper or any kinds of spices into your flour mix, by all means go for it. I just like leaving it plain because I always end up eating it with sauces anyways. But that's it for today's episode of Kenzo in the Kitchen, Hawaii's #1 source of local kind grinds that is easy to make and delicious to eat. Ahui ho kako e malamamo.